We are here now at Panda Jano by the... What you will buy? Onion? Tomato? That one? Potato! Tomato! Potato! Potato only 2 real. Very, very cheaper. Choose the... What do you call that? The good one. No, this one.
This one?
Oh, no. It's open already, this one. Check this one. I take this one. But too much big. Aray ko yawa. Ayan. Garlic. Garlic, this one.
Garlic.
Ang sarap nito. Kaya lang mahirap siyang lulutuin pa kasi yan. Kaya po. Sugar, 26. Oh, 10 kilos. Sugar, 10 kilos, 26 only. It was 44, 45.
Patay. 1 real. 1 real.
Hulo! Hoy, alam niyo ba sa Nestor, 1 real lang ang doon. Kamatis.
Matigas to. Hindi siya
Hindi same naman eh. Ngayon dito, 5 real na siya. 5 real yung. Doon, only 1 real. Sale. Wow. Ang ganda. Hindi ako nakain chocolate. Ang daming sale ng chocolate. Ang problema, wala namang uuwi kasi gera. Walang flights. Cancel flights. I want dates. What not this? Ala! I want this one. Ay, oh my God. Bili ako ng dates kasi gusto ko yung dates na hindi matigas. Yung malambot lang siya. Ito siguro sarap nito. Ano lang. 13 real. Jano, carrots. You'll not buy carrots? Purple, yellow. I want that one. But, yes, I want also. Yeah. Big, yeah. It's one. That's one of the big one. Yeah. Check. Okay, yeah. What else? What else? Ano bili mo?
Barley.
Bumili na si Jano.
Gusto ko maraming garlic.
Saka kumuha ng opo.
Dito,
Opo ba yan? Kaya lang, anong gagawin ko sa opo? Gigisahin. Ang sarap, ang mahal ng kamote. Ay, hindi naman pala. Ano to? Kamuting obi? 11 real. Kamuting obi to. Ay, ang bulok na. Ito, red tomato. Red potato. Yala. They are done? Apple. But you know the fruits I did not eat. I did not eat the fruit. Hello, we check the beef. The beef.
Black color. Garbage.
Huh? Garbage?
Yes.
That one. This one. Why you not buy? Why you not buy in Kamsa Kamsa? The Kamsa Kamsa only 5 real, 5 real.
5 real.
Yes. Yes. Yellow, you go there. You go there. Yalla. What else? Beef. Yellow, we check. Beef.
Amazon?
No, there.
There?
There, near
Okay.
14th Street only. Yalla, I will drive until we go there. Ferry? Hala, Dano, it's only 12 real the ferry. Oh no, that one not ferry. You buy also there. It's very cheaper also there. But that one, you know, the 5 real then it's 2 pieces. Beef. Kaya lang may beef. May beef pa ako doon.
This one beef?
Yeah. Look, it's very cheap. 7 real. Yala, I will buy. Also, here also. Oh, 7 real lang. Yala. I'll buy. This one for me. This one is okay. Okay. This one. 7. What one? 7 real. This one 8, 7. Yeah, very nice. This one.
This one 8. This one 7. This 7.
This one 10.
7.
Okay, alas. But it's only 2 pieces. The 7 real is only 2 pieces.
7 real. 3 pieces.
But it's small. I want this one. This one 8 real. Okay, ala. I want you only. This one. 9 real. This one 3 pieces. 5 pieces. Yes. Okay. Ah, yan sarap. Gawin kong steak. Tsala malambot. Yala, what else? What else you need? Where's Rizana? Yala.
Huh?
I want to buy butter. Come here. They have a lot of sweets. Masan yung butter? No? Wala silang butter. Gusto ko yung butter. Yung ano yung binibili ni Ate Jerilyn na slice. Wala sila. O baka hindi ko lang mahanap. Saan kaya nakalagay yun? May binibili sa Ate Jerilyn na slice. dito. Wala din. O baka wala sila. More cheese. Butter. Wala. Bakit wala? Wala talaga. Excuse me. Thank you. Balik ako dito ulit. Baka nandito lang. Hindi ko nakita. May binibili si Ate Jereen. Yung slice na. Hindi ko mahanap. Wala. Yogurt. Wala nga. Hello. Baka dito. Yung meron din sila mga cakes. Ay, ito. Tanga talaga ako. At dito nga. Hindi ko nakita. Ito ang mahal na. Asan pa yung butter dyan? Ano to? Margarine vegetables. Tapos, ito. Bakit ang mahal na? Dati lang, ano lang to, 6 real. Di parang 9 real, ganun. Ngayon, 15, 16. Grabe, ang mamahal talaga ng bilihin. Tumaas na. Wala akong bumili. Mahal lang. Ang bango. Marami din silang mga pickles. Ito na mga chocolate. Yung panda na to, malapit lang sa bahay namin. Lalakarin lang to. Saan yung dalawa?
Sabon na lang.
Yalla! Finish? Where is Rosanna? Huh? Not finished, Rosanna?
Kali. You.
Yeah, but where is Rosanna? There? Nandito daw si Rosanna. Hanapin natin. Yung may isdaan naman sila dito. Yala! Tagal mo. Pupunta pa tayo ng ano? Dito, Sun City.
Sa?
Kabango naman ito. Puta.
Hello?
Dito.
Ah.
Ang tagal.
Anong magandang treatment sa hair?
Ang tagal mo.
Malayo ba yan? Magsuka na naman ako yan.
Haya, malapit ang dodo.
Aw. Okay lang. Huwag ka na magalit na.
Diyan. Where is our trolley? Yala? Where we? You're here? Ah, isa?
Yeah, only one. Yeah.
Ha, you're not continuing the price. Yan na. Break it. Yan na. You did it. Put the price first. Yeah. Do the vegetables.